What if your backyard could be a living pharmacy? Imagine stepping outside, picking a few leaves, and instantly making a soothing tea for a headache, a balm for a burn, or a remedy for an upset stomach. Today we're uncovering 13 of the most powerful medicinal plants you can grow right at home, plants that have been used for centuries and can still transform your health today. The best part, most of these plants are ridiculously easy to grow. They look beautiful in your garden, and they'll save you countless trips to the pharmacy. Let's dive in, starting with one that's probably already in your kitchen, but deserves a permanent place in your yard. 1. Aloe Vera, the skin healer. Aloe vera is a remarkable medicinal plant known for its soothing, healing, and anti-inflammatory properties. The clear gel inside its thick, spiky leaves is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a natural remedy for burns, sunburns, cuts, insect bites, and dry skin. It's also valued for its digestive benefits when consumed in moderation, helping to ease heartburn and support gut health. Growing aloe vera is refreshingly simple. It thrives in well-draining soil, plenty of sunlight, and requires minimal watering as it stores moisture in its leaves. Perfect for pots or garden beds, this drought-tolerant succulent not only adds beauty to your space but also serves as a living first aid kit you can harvest anytime. However, aloe vera does not like overwatering, soggy soil, and excessive shade and frost. 2. Chamomile, the calming tea plant. Chamomile is a gentle yet powerful medicinal plant cherished for its calming and healing qualities. Its daisy-like flowers are rich in natural compounds that can ease anxiety, promote restful sleep, soothe digestive troubles, and reduce inflammation. A warm cup of chamomile tea can relax the mind after a stressful day, while cooled chamomile infusions can be used topically to calm skin irritations and minor eye infections. Growing chamomile is easy and rewarding. It thrives in full sun, well-draining soil, and can be started from seeds sown directly into the garden in spring. Regular harvesting of the blooms not only provides a steady supply for teas and remedies, but also encourages the plant to produce even more fragrant flowers throughout the season. 3. Peppermint, the tummy tamer. Peppermint is a refreshing and highly effective medicinal plant, prized for its ability to soothe digestive issues, relieve nausea, ease headaches, and open congested airways. Its aromatic leaves contain menthol, a natural compound that cools, calms, and invigorates both body and mind. A fresh sprig can be brewed into tea for stomach upsets or applied as an infused oil to ease muscle tension. Peppermint is also a natural pest deterrent, making it a helpful companion in the garden. Growing peppermint is simple. It thrives in full sun to partial shade, prefers moist, well-draining soil, and spreads vigorously, so it's best kept in containers to prevent it from taking over your yard. With minimal care, it will reward you with lush, fragrant leaves all season long. 4. Echinacea, the immunity booster. Echinacea, often called coneflower, is a striking medicinal plant celebrated for its immune-boosting and infection-fighting properties. Traditionally used by Native Americans, echinacea is known to help the body resist colds, flu, and other infections, while its anti-inflammatory compounds can also aid in wound healing and pain relief. Its roots, leaves, and flowers can be used to make teas, tinctures, or extracts that support the body's defenses and reduce inflammation. Echinacea is easy to incorporate into your daily wellness routine and is often taken at the first sign of illness to strengthen immunity. Its vibrant purple-pink blooms not only attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, but also add beauty to any garden. Growing echinacea is straightforward. It thrives in full sun, well-draining soil, and is drought-tolerant once established. Sow seeds in spring or fall, or plant nursery-grown starts, and enjoy a plant that comes back year after year, rewarding you with both medicinal value and stunning summer flowers. 5. Lemon balm, nature's stress reliever. Lemon balm is a wonderfully fragrant medicinal herb known for its calming, mood-lifting, and antiviral properties. Its fresh, lemony scent comes from natural oils that can help reduce anxiety, promote restful sleep, ease digestive discomfort, and even fight cold sores caused by the herpes virus. Often enjoyed as a soothing tea, lemon balm can also be infused into oils, salves, and tinctures for a variety of home remedies. Growing lemon balm is easy. It thrives in full sun to partial shade, prefers well-draining soil, and benefits from regular watering. It's a vigorous grower, so planting it in a container or giving it room to spread will keep it manageable. Frequent harvesting of its lush green leaves not only keeps the plant healthy, but also provides a constant supply for your herbal needs. 6. Calendula, the skin soother. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, is a vibrant medicinal plant valued for its powerful skin healing and anti-inflammatory properties. Its bright orange or yellow petals contain natural compounds that help soothe cuts, burns, rashes, and insect bites, while also promoting faster wound healing. Calendula can be infused into oils and made into salves, creams, or teas, making it a versatile addition to any home herbal kit. Growing calendula is simple and rewarding. It thrives in full sun, prefers well-draining soil, and can be easily grown from seed. Regular deadheading of spent blooms encourages continuous flowering from spring through fall, providing both beauty for your garden and a steady supply of healing petals. 7. Lavender, the relaxation plant. Lavender is a beloved medicinal plant renowned for its calming fragrance and wide range of healing benefits. Its aromatic flowers contain essential oils that can ease anxiety, promote restful sleep, relieve headaches, and even help heal minor cuts and insect bites thanks to their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Lavender can be used fresh, dried for teas and sachets, or distilled into essential oil for home remedies. Growing lavender is straightforward if you give it the right conditions. It thrives in full sun, well-draining soil, and dry climates, making it perfect for garden beds, borders, or pots. Avoid overwatering, as lavender prefers slightly dry conditions, and trim it lightly after flowering to keep the plant healthy and compact. With minimal care, lavender rewards you with beauty, fragrance, and powerful medicinal uses year after year. 8. Thyme, the natural antibiotic. Thyme is a powerful medicinal herb prized for its strong antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, making it a natural remedy for respiratory infections, coughs, sore throats, and digestive issues. Its essential oils, particularly thymol, have been used for centuries to support the immune system and promote overall health. Beyond its medicinal benefits, thyme is also a flavorful addition to cooking, adding depth to a variety of dishes. Growing thyme is easy. It thrives in full sun and well-draining soil, tolerates drought once established, and prefers a slightly alkaline pH. Thyme can be grown from seeds, cuttings, or small plants, and does well in garden beds or containers. Regular harvesting of the leaves encourages bushier growth and ensures a fresh supply for both your kitchen and natural remedies. 9. Yarrow, the bleeding stopper. Yarrow is a remarkable medicinal plant known for its ability to stop bleeding, reduce inflammation, and promote wound healing, earning it the nickname soldier's wound herb from ancient times. Its dried or fresh leaves and flowers can be applied as a poultice to cuts and bruises or brewed into a tea to support digestion and relieve cold symptoms. Yarrow also has antimicrobial properties that help protect against infection. Growing yarrow is easy. It thrives in full sun and well-draining soil, tolerates drought, and requires minimal care. It spreads quickly, so it's best planted where it has space to grow or contained to prevent overgrowth. With its feathery foliage and clusters of tiny flowers, yarrow is both a beautiful and practical addition to any medicinal garden. 10. Sage, the sore throat soother. Sage is a powerful medicinal herb celebrated for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, making it an effective natural remedy for sore throats, digestive issues, and cognitive support. Traditionally, sage leaves are brewed into teas to soothe coughs and improve digestion, or used as a mouthwash for oral health. Sage can also be burned as a smudge to cleanse spaces and promote mental clarity. Growing sage is simple. It thrives in full sun with well-draining soil and prefers a dry, warm environment. It's drought-tolerant and benefits from regular pruning to encourage bushy growth and prevent woody stems. Whether grown in the garden or in containers, sage offers year-round medicinal benefits and culinary flavor. 11. Holy basil, tulsi, the stress fighter. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a sacred medicinal plant revered for its powerful adaptogenic properties that help the body manage stress, boost immunity, and promote overall well-being. Rich in antioxidants and essential oils, tulsi is traditionally used to reduce inflammation, fight infections, support respiratory health, and calm the mind. The leaves can be brewed into a fragrant tea, taken as a tincture, or used fresh in cooking to harness its healing benefits. Growing holy basil is straightforward. It prefers warm temperatures, well-draining soil, and plenty of sunlight. It can be started from seeds or seedlings and thrives both in garden beds and containers. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and a steady supply of leaves for your herbal remedies. Tulsi's spiritual significance and medicinal power make it a cherished addition to any healing garden. 12. Ginger, the inflammation fighter. Ginger is a highly valued medicinal plant known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Its spicy aromatic root has been used for centuries to relieve nausea, reduce muscle pain, ease indigestion, and combat colds and flu. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol that help soothe the digestive tract and support the immune system, making it a go-to natural remedy for many common ailments. Growing ginger is simple in warm climates. It thrives in rich, well-draining soil with plenty of moisture and partial to full shade. You can start by planting fresh ginger rhizomes just below the soil surface, and with regular watering and warmth, new shoots will sprout in a few weeks. In cooler areas, ginger can be grown indoors in pots, providing you with fresh, medicinal roots year-round. 13. Garlic, nature's antibiotic. Garlic is a legendary medicinal plant known for its powerful antibiotic, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it one of nature's most effective natural remedies for boosting the immune system and fighting infections. Rich in sulfur compounds like allicin, garlic has been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support heart health. It's also widely used to help combat colds, flu, and respiratory issues. Growing garlic is straightforward. Plant cloves in well-draining soil during the fall or early spring, in a spot that receives full sun. Garlic prefers loose, fertile soil and needs consistent moisture but not waterlogging. With minimal care, garlic bulbs mature in several months and can be harvested in summer, providing both a potent medicinal ingredient and a flavorful staple for your kitchen. As you can see, you don't need a pharmacy when you've got a garden like this. Whether you grow one or all 13, you'll have a natural medicine cabinet just steps from your door. Which of these medicinal plants would you love to try first? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow plant lover. Here's to growing health, happiness, and a little backyard magic. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 15 plants you should never grow in your garden.